I've been in high school for 4 years now. I'm now senior here in Northeast, and I love it here. And I do a lot of sports because I feel like sports is what motivates me, as I've been diagnosed with ADHD since I was a kid. And while though that does have some consequences, it also has lots of benefits, including being able to hyper-focus. So I love doing sports, and so that's why I started doing tennis, bowling, and all other sports. Just I feel like tennis has another aspect of sports, and it's physically demanding. I've probably been bowling for I'd say maybe 7 years, somewhat competitively. I do tournaments all around. It's just fun because you're also guaranteed to play. I would say I like the engineering field because it's while it is a lot of math, you're not only doing math, you kind of get to use your imagination a little bit, but you have to stay in boundaries. I always feel like that's something I would enjoy doing, building parts, as I'm currently in the Dell Tech team, and I kind of fix computers and repair them, as I'm also the manager in my group. So I help other kids, and I like to fix the computers, manage the computers, so it's just something I see myself doing in the future. As of now, I'm most likely going to UCF for computer engineering. My academics, I always try to do well in that, even if it doesn't always go my way. And my electives, I take piano, and I love doing it. Well, I've been taking it for 4 years, so it's just wonderful because you can play whatever you want, whatever comes to your imagination, or if, like me, I can just listen to a song and play it on the piano. It's just something that I enjoy doing. Like I said, I use my ADHD to hyper-focus on things I like sports and my piano, for example. It sounds really cool and it can calm me down if I am stressed. What I'd say I like most about Northeast High is just like I said, that they offer a lot of classes, they have really good APs, I feel like, and they care a lot about the students. No matter who they are, they always try their best to make them an A+ student.